Hi friends, we're on Module 4, Lesson 24. Yesterday, we used number bonds to subtract from the hundred. Today, we're going to use our number discs to unbundle the hundreds before subtracting. So on your dry erase board, I want you to write down this number, 122 minus 80. And you want to be on the side where we have our template of our hundreds, tens, and ones. And what we're going to do is we are going to build that number 122. So 122. And you're just going to do your circles. So let me ask you a question. I need to take 80 away. Do I have 8 tens? I only have how many? 2. So I need to unbundle my 100 and I need to make it into 10. So I'm going to take my 100 and put it away. And I'm going to take out my 10 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Remember, they're always going to be in groups of 5. 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So now I have 2 ones and 12 tens. And remember, I just unbundled them. I took this 10 right here. They were 100 and I took them apart and I unbundled them. But now can I take 80 away? I can. Let's do that and see what we get as our answer. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, what do we get? 42. Absolutely. Did you get 42 too? Good. All right, we're going to go and do some more. And I want you to build the numbers, get the answers, just pause the video, and when you're done, come back and we're going to check it, okay? All right, so you should have 174 built. So we had 74. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, can I take away 56? Well, I have enough tens, but I don't have enough ones. I only have 4 ones. So that means I have to unbundle a 10 to get my answer. So I'm going to take this 10 away and I'm going to replace it with 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, can I take 56 away now? I need to take away 5 tens and I need to take away 6 ones. All right, so I'm going to take my 5 tens away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to take my 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what do I have as an answer? I have 100, 110, and 8 ones. So I have 118. Is that what you got as an answer? Good. All right, we're going to try another one. Write this number down, build it, and come back when you're ready. Okay, so the first thing you should have done is you should have built 136. So there's 1 in the hundreds place, 3 in the tens, and then 6 in the ones. And we have to take away 57. Can we take away 57? No, I only have 6 ones. I'm going to unbundle a 10. And I'm going to put my 10 ones here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Do I have enough ones to take away now? I do. But I have to take away 57. I don't have enough tens. So I have to unbundle my 100 and put my 10 tens here. So there goes my 100. And let's put 10 tens. 1, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 10, 8 10, 9 10, 10 10. So there's our 100. Okay, so now can we take away 57? I can. I'm going to do that. Here's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. And what is my answer? What do I have left? I have 7 tens and I have 9 ones. So what is that? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 79. Did you get that too? All right. So your job is to try these next 3 on your own. And we're going to come back and we're going to see how you did. Okay, what did you notice about 146 minus 67? What was the answer? 79. And 137 minus 58 was 79. 112 minus 34, that was 78. They were very similar in their answers. Now, when you do your problem set, you're going to try to solve these mentally up here. And if you can't, it's okay. You can use your place value chart and your number discs, okay? Now, this part over here is where it gets a little bit confusing. You're going to solve these using your number discs, or you could draw it on your place value chart. And you're going to unbundle the 100 or the 10 when necessary. And you're going to circle what you did. So 124 minus 60. When you do this, if you unbundled 100, you're going to put a yes. If you unbundled the 10, you're going to circle a yes. And if you didn't, then you're just going to circle no. On this part, if you finish all of these before time is up, I want you to try to do numbers 3 and 4. If you don't get to them, it's okay. But our goal is going to be to get through number 1 and 2 and all these problems, and then 3 and 4 if you finish early. All right, I'll see you at group.